In the past, processing large wooden bars into small pieces required primitive tools and tremendous physical effort. At the same time, grinding wood was also extremely difficult and hard to process. Nowadays, with the introduction of crushing machines, the entire backlog of wood after harvesting can be efficiently handled, avoiding wastage during use. So how does the crushing machine system handle wood? Watch our video to discover the interesting features of this machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. A wood chipper in the forest is an important equipment used in the wood industry. It is used to break down large chunks of wood into smaller pieces for ease of transport and use. The wood chipper can be used to process many different types of wood after extraction. There are many benefits to using a wood chipper in the forest. It helps to reduce time and costs in the wood processing process. Additionally, using a wood chipper also helps to minimize the amount of wood waste produced during processing, protecting the natural environment and reducing dust and smoke in the work area. However, using a wood chipper in the forest also poses risks. One of them is the risk of work accidents due to the high speed and large volume of the machine. Therefore, forest managers need to ensure occupational safety measures to minimize the risk of accidents. Currently, large wood processing factories in Europe are equipped with wood grinding systems with high capacity. All the wood removed during production is collected at the company's yard and reused as other raw materials. Excess wood and wood scraps are fed into the grinding system by a powerful engine and sharp grinding blades. Each piece of wood is ground into pieces and transported by a conveyor belt to a different collection point. After grinding, the materials are recycled into various products such as compressed wood pellets, organic fertilizers, or pressed wood for the furniture industry. Utilizing all the excess wood in the wood processing process not only helps us use all the harvested wood materials, but also reduces wasteful exploitation in the wood industry, while bringing economic benefits for the development of this industry. We can see that after the timber is harvested and brought to the factories, the tree stumps are uprooted and cleared from the land and then sent to the grinding system using specialized cranes. The tree roots are crushed into small pieces, left to decompose for a certain period of time, and then become effective organic fertilizers for the rice fields. In addition, the use of wood chips as a substitute for fertilizers not only saves costs, but also helps us to improve the quality of the soil, making it more fertile. Limiting the use of chemical fertilizers in production is also a way to protect the living environment and conserve groundwater for human life. If wood chips are used to cover the entire garden, like a protective layer for plants, it can also limit the growth of weeds and reduce the cost of hiring labor for cleaning. This is one of the outstanding solutions for the agriculture sector. Clearly, the wood grinding machine is a superior and highly applicable device in all industries, helping us to save costs and create excellent products of value in life. The wood grinding gear system of the machine is an important part of this process, helping to feed the wood into the machine and grind it into smaller pieces. The wood grinding gear system is usually designed with many small and large gears stacked on top of each other. When the wood is fed in, the gears rotate and grind the wood into smaller pieces. The gears are made of high-quality materials such as steel to ensure durability and high precision. In addition to the wood grinding gear system, the machine is also equipped with an automatic conveyor belt system. This system helps to transport the ground wood pieces from the machine to the next processing areas. The automatic conveyor belt system is controlled by sensors and computers to ensure the transportation occurs at the correct speed and direction. The automatic conveyor belt system of the machine is usually designed with high durability and large load capacity. The conveyor belt is made of high-quality materials such as rubber to ensure durability and good adhesion. The automatic conveyor belt system is also equipped with safety protection systems to ensure the safety of machine operators. Clearly, the emergence of industrial machines in wood exploitation and processing has helped the industry develop significantly while also shortening the completion time of work. Wood grinding machines have solved waste issues in the wood exploitation process, using wood resources efficiently and contributing to saving resources for the future. Today, as the use of wood in daily life gradually replaces other materials, we need to have reasonable wood exploitation and processing processes that can handle all of the wood after extraction. This creates high-value products while also utilizing the removed wood to create useful products for life. Therefore, wood grinding machines play a very important role in this industry. We hope that this information will help you gain deeper knowledge in life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel before leaving your computer or phone screen. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.